The Red Fort of Delhi, also known as the Red Fort of Delhi, the Lal Killa, or Lal Kala, is a historic fort built in Old Delhi in the 17th century. Built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, who also built the Taj Mahal, it gets its popular nickname of the Red Fort due to the use of red sandstone in its construction. The fort was originally red and white, but the British demolished some of the white marble structures and painted it all red to further cement its common name of the Red Fort of Delhi. A symbol of the achievements of the Mughal Empire before British rule, the fortress is commonly seen as a national symbol of India, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and is among the country's most popular tourist destinations. History of the Red Fort. There was actually an earlier Red Fort built in Delhi much earlier. This first Red Fort of Delhi was called Lal Kot and built by the Tomar Rajput dynasty, which had its capital at Delhi. Some sources place the construction of this fort in the 8th century, while others date it to the 11th century. It was later expanded, but the Hindu and Jain temples in the complex were destroyed after the Muslim conquest of India, and the fort fell largely into disrepair. Ruins of the walls can still be seen today though. In the 1500s, the Mughal Empire came to dominate much of India, and massive building projects showed off the wealth and cultural achievements of this empire. The empire's architectural achievements reached a zenith under the fifth emperor, Shah Jahan. He oversaw the construction of the Red Fort beginning in 1638. The Lal Killa was built as part of Shah Jahan's decision to move his capital from Agra to Delhi. This second Red Fort of Delhi, the one that is famous today, was built in a completely different site from the earlier fort and would be much larger. The Red Fort was later used as a garrison during the British rule of India. Upon independence on August 15, 1947, India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru raised the Indian flag over the Red Fort, starting a tradition that is reenacted every year on Indian Independence Day. This ritual has helped cement the fort's status as a national symbol of India. In 2007, it was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in honor of its representation of Indian architectural and cultural achievement and status as an important site. The construction and early history of the Red Fort. The Mughal Empire was founded in 1526 by Babur after his conquest of Agra and Delhi. The empire would grow in subsequent years under Babur's successors and rule most of present-day northern India and Pakistan. Especially under Akbar the Great, the Mughal Empire grew into a powerful and prosperous empire. Great buildings and works of art became important symbols of Mughal achievement. This was especially the case under Shah Jahan, who commissioned a number of important building projects, including the Great Mosque of Agra. He ordered the construction of the Red Fort when he moved the capital of the empire from Agra to Delhi in 1638. This was around the same time that Shah Jahan's most famous building project was completed, the Taj Mahal Mausoleum, which was built for his first wife who died in childbirth. In fact, Shah Jahan commissioned the same architect, Ustad Ahmad Lahori, to build the Red Fort. A combined fort and palace complex, it was meant to be the seat of government in the new capital. It took 10 years to complete, with construction finishing in 1648. It would become the center of life in the capital city of Old Delhi, then known as Shahjahanabad, the main site of residence for the Mughal emperors for nearly 200 years, and a powerful symbol of Mughal rule. Inside the 75-foot-high walls was an elaborate layout of palace residences, canals, gardens, and even a majestic mosque.